This is my first experience of smoking a pork shoulder joint with wood fire pellets in an electric oven. Let's do it. I've used it for pizza, but I haven't used it for this. Oh, I can't wait. I've seasoned my shoulder joint with salt and pepper, and I'm going to be using the robust blend to get hopefully the strongest smoky flavour. So I'm going to put those in now. I'm going to put my pork in there, and I'm going to fill up my pellets. So I got my pellets in there. So what happened, I had some already in there from a pizza cook, but I got that wrong, because if you don't fill that container to the top, the pellets won't work. So they've got to be filled to the top before it works. Put your pork on the roasting tray and put it in the oven. They also said that the pork should be cold from the fridge for the best results for smoking. So this is cold from the fridge. It's 3.8 kilograms. And it's going to be in there for 5 hours at 120 degrees Celsius. I want it to go to smoker. I'm going to press start. Or maybe there's no start. The wood fire flavour. Let's have a look. I am going to fill up the wood fire pellets as I go. I'm going to check to see if it's going to run out, because I have got it on for a very long time, 5 hours. And it says in the instructions, if you run out, just add more. And I should be able to tell by the smell as well. It is in the morning, 9:49 in the morning. Luckily, it's a beautiful day, but it's the first nice day in weeks. We've had storm after storm, some really bad winter weather, and this is like the first day where it's actually nice to get outside. It's been grey, rain, wind every day. Smoking. To give you a bit of a background, I'm smoking today, but I've only used this oven for cooking pizza in so far. Check out my pizza vids here on that. I'll be cooking more pizza in here as well, testing the oven out. I wanted to check out the other things it does, like roasting, dehydrating. Never done that before. Oh, I've done one thing wrong. I've got to take this out. Wait a minute. Turn it upside down. I'm gonna just wash my hands before I put it in the glove. Smoking, this smell is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Yeah, I can do beef, pork, lamb, fish, chicken. Oh my gosh, it's an endless thing. I'm gonna do everything. I can't wait. Join me on my learning to smoke journey. Am I on a learning to cook pizza journey? I'm on a learning to smoke journey, and not the learning to do smoke journey. I'm really excited about it. Can you see? It's warm-ish. It's been 4, so it's got, yeah, I'll be back in half an hour to check on the pork and my pellets. So it's been an hour, just check on it. Lovely, but I'm going to add more pellets because I think they've gone down. Okay. Yeah, so my guide is, if it stops like smoking, I can tell the pellets going down and just fill it up. So about an hour, and it's taken the pellets, like they've nearly gone down to the bottom. It's just as a guide for me, so I know to check it every hour. And I've got to remember to press the wood fire button for 3 seconds. Yay! Igniting it. There's actually 3 hours and 28 I've got left, because that was a 4-hour timer on there and I needed 5. So we're just going to check it quickly. Fantastic, but there doesn't seem to be as much smoke coming out as there was. I'm going to top it up a bit more, so let's do that, because it's gone down. press the WOODFIRE flavor ignite. There's black burnt pieces in there, whether I let them burn out completely or keep filling it up from the top. Starting to smoke nicely again now. I feel this oven is very similar to me using the Fire 12, where I top up the pellets. So I've got this familiar workings with the pellets, but the only difference is the pellets at the bottom of this little cubicle here, they're not burning away, and so I find that I'm topping up every 30 minutes with fresh pellets to get the smoke. So if anybody could please advise me whether you are topping up or are you taking the whole, you're taking the metal grate out and then starting from fresh like every hour or so, carefully obviously with gloves and everything because it's hot, but is that what you're doing, or are you just topping up like me, or are you not topping up? I'm interested to know, because when I see no smoke I feel like there's something needs to be topped up. I top up, but it's every 30 minutes. So just checking that's right. I don't mind topping up every 30 minutes. That's what I got to do. Okay, so I'm going to add more pellets. And then come back when it's another half hour. I've just added more pellets. It's igniting now. It hadn't gone to the bottom again. It was like halfway down, and it's now 1 hour and 45 minutes away from being cooked out of 5 hours. So I'll be back in another half hour. Do you want to have a quick look? Ooh. Nice. We've got an hour left, and I don't know how dark this has got to get. Oh, looks nice. I'm not sure if that's good. I think it looks good. It's getting very dark in there. I'm not testing it to see if it's cooked yet. Ooh, look at my door. But I'm going to give it 5 hours because that's what it said in the booklet. 5 hours for a 3.8 kilogram piece of pork, so that's what I'm doing. So it's igniting again, and we're going to be ready to go for the final hour. So we are done on this, and it smells fantastic. It's worth the wait, I think. If this doesn't come out, after me following the instructions now, and this doesn't come out like a smoked thing, a smoked pork, I think this is going to be good. But I'm not a smoker. I'm not a smoker person. I cook pizzas, and if you're watching this smoker video, it's so like not what I normally do. So I appreciate it if you're watching this. But the thing is, this oven can do pizza and it can do smoking. So if you are into outdoor cooking generally, like me, and you love cooking pizza, which I think this does really well, then if you want to do a smoker on anything like fish, vegetables, meat, I've just bought it for the pizza, but I really want to show how it smokes as well, because if you are going to buy an oven and you buy this for the pizza cooking, then, and if you like smoking, so I'm going to get this out and just put it over there. Look at this. I think this looks good. Smoked pork for 5 hours with my pellets in an electric oven. What do you think? You can see all the fat there. It's gone to the bottom of the tray when I jiggle it, which is good. I tried to cut as much fat off as I could. I'm going to try and get this out now. I'm going to have to put this down. Okay, so I've just removed it from there, so I'm going to shut this up. But look at my oven. It doesn't look like it did when I cooked my pizza. So I have to give that a scrub down, but that's the smoke away, I guess. It's going to rain in about an hour, so I'm going to hopefully that will cool down very quickly. And here it is, my smoked pork. Just, oh. So let's get this inside. It's so dark and it looks really strange like this. It looks like a piece of lava. Let's foil it up and we will be back in an hour. It's getting late and I have now rested my smoky pork. It's still hot, even though it's been sitting there. Oh, yeah, still hot. Let's see if this, ooh! I mean, it's hot, so I'm not, whoa. This. I mean, this definitely feels like it can pull apart. Lovely. I think it's achieved the thing I wanted it to achieve. I think it's got that. Try a piece of this to see. Oh, look at it. It is just falling apart. Try that bit. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the thing is that smoked, because this is something I've never tasted before. Real smoked food. Like the smells and the tastes coming from this. I wish I could have smelly, tasty vision right now. My oven could never do things like this. So yeah, this oven, not only is it fantastic at cooking pizza, it's fantastic at smoking. It's giving me an insight into other cooking experiences, and there's so many other things it can do. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.